Hello humans, it is your girl Trish and we are back at it again with another recipe video. This is actually the first time I'm working with RSO when it comes to edibles. RSO stands for Rick Simpson oil, and it is technically the entire plant boiled down into a syringe. Now the product that I got today was Route 65 or Route 65, however you plan on saying that, and we got it from Wizard Trees. They are known for their indicas, and RSO is a very beneficial product because it can help with a lot of ailments. I've seen it benefit cancer patients with their tumors. It has helped them shrink it helps with pain. It can help with people with Parkinson's. Whenever you get distillate, which is the product we usually use, they filter out all the plant material. And the plant material is actually pretty beneficial, but a lot of people don't like the way it tastes, don't like the way it smells. It's a little intense. If you remember our other videos where we have used distillate in the past, it has a very amber honey color to it. It's the same material that's in vape pens. RSO isn't as popular just because I think not as many people like, again, the taste, the smell. As you can see, it is a very dark color. And like I said, you know, not everybody loves the taste of it. So what I think is the best way to incorporate RSO into an edible is chocolate. Chocolate can disguise a lot of flavors. It can help balance out a lot of flavors. So we are actually using the Ghirardelli dark chocolate flavored melting wafers. I don't know if you guys have ever worked with these before, but if you are working with melting chocolates down to make your own little chocolates, I would highly suggest using a melting wafer chocolate, and Ghirardelli is just the best brand that you can get. Definitely go for the Ghirardelli. We are going with a dark chocolate, but adding some milk in just to lighten the flavor a little bit. If you want something extremely potent, RSO is the way to go. It is going to be a lot more intense than your regular distillate. So if you've been using distillate to make your edibles, definitely proceed with caution. Consider one edible too, just as far as tolerance sake. Wait about an hour and a half before you try another one, because we all know the age-old tale as far as edibles go. So proceed with caution. How's it going over here?
I'm just trying to make it so it's kind of moldable.
Melty?
Yeah, I mean it's melty.
And what I have found as far as distillate, RSO, any type of syringe that you're gonna use, if you're gonna use a syringe, the best way to get it out of the tube without shattering the glass, without wasting the product, is to run it under hot water for about a minute. It's gonna heat the material up inside and make it a little bit more viscous and easier to get out of the tube. Okay guys, we are ready to incorporate the RSO into the chocolate. So we wanted to show.
It's just black.
Yeah, it is a very dark liquid. It's really hard to get the RSO. Oh damn, how did I get chocolate on myself?
Because I'm trying to get it off the thing.
Oh, you got me chocolatey?
Mm-hmm. There's worse things to get.
I guess that's fair, especially in Florida. But yeah, don't try this at home if you're new to edible making. I mean, do try it at home, but like, be careful, because...
Definitely don't talk shit about them.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's ridiculous. I don't see it, someone that's weakened.
No, we can't.
With weakened immunity or something doing that. Or an older
They
person.
literally make it so hard.
That's ridiculous.
Because this is about 900 milligrams. And the way you do the math on that is you take the percentage that it's at. So if it's 90%, which this is at, you just add a 0 to it. So if it's 400, if it's 45%, add a 0, it's 450 milligrams. So this is 90%, so that makes it 900 milligrams.
Okay, I'm gonna start. trying to put them in here.
Okay.
Okay.
That's that. Now she is getting the chocolates to go in some of our molds. These skull molds, these ones that we usually use, they were just a little bit too small for how like thick the chocolate is. Now these are going to be heavy hitters because they're RSO, on top of the fact that they're gonna be quite large in medication. So we're gonna finish filling these and then we'll come back and let you know how much they're gonna be each. Okay guys, so we finished filling them up. This is what they look like right now with all of the chocolate. Now, as you can see, these are all varying sizes. We did count and there are 26. So, do you have your phone?
Is that 900 divided by 26?
35. Oh, okay. So, each of these pieces of chocolate are roughly 35 milligrams, which
It's not terribly
your
much.
average, like, first starting out patient is way too much. 5 milligrams, 10 milligrams is average when you're first starting out. Now, someone who medicates every day like we do, our tolerance is a little higher. 35 is probably gonna be great. We'll probably only need one and we'll be good for the night.
Try the small ones.
So we are going to pop these in the fridge. And as soon as we are done with them, we are going to take them out and we will try them for you guys to see
Before we go to bed.
We are back. It's been about an hour, roughly. We let them sit in the fridge. Let's see how well these pop out. Oh. Okay.
Oh, that's a big bitch.
Cheers.
Oh, it's like fudge. That's like fudge.
So, we didn't say it earlier, but we used about half a bag of Ghirardelli, the melting wafers. And then did we use like a full bag
Of Hershey's.
semi-sweet
Yeah.
dark chocolate?
Special dark.
So we mixed those two together. I created a little bit of like a grainy, chocolatey consistency. So that's what we combined together. And those were made our chocolates. So
That's like fudge. That's like good fudge.
it's pretty good. Yeah. Easiest edible that we've made yet.
Really good.
Literally all you do is just melt the chocolate down. If it's easier for you to do it in the microwave, you can do that as well. I just personally like to do it on the stove. You can get all of the chocolate to a pretty even consistency, and you can also keep it heated while you're filling the molds. Which also, when you can get it heated down to a more creamy consistency, or a liquidy consistency, so the opposite of creamy, you can fill the smaller molds easier. So it's really up to you, but honestly, that came out really good. Can you take, like, I mean, I can taste a little bit of
I
cannabis,
didn't
but
really
honestly,
taste
the
any.
chocolate is really overpowering.
She might be dark. It's more
It's gonna be more bitter, so it's gonna cover the
More
taste
flavor,
of the
more
cannabis more.
stronger flavor.
She also did add some milk into it, so that probably contributed to the consistency as well. But super good. Like we said, each piece of chocolate is gonna be roughly 35 milligrams, so
Good night.
yeah, it's an indica. We're definitely gonna be feeling relaxed. Really good for pain management. This is all just things that I've seen while working in the cannabis industry. I'm not a licensed professional. This is just personal patient, things that we do ourselves as patients in the Florida medical industry. So don't take anything we say
Yeah, we're not
as
doctors.
as like end all be all. Like, we're just patients in the Florida medical system sharing our knowledge, things we've learned through the last few years of having our cards. So if there's anything else you would like to see us medicate, definitely let us know in the comments below. We've been thinking of doing something more savory, and Mom actually came up with a really good idea to do chicken and waffles. So if If you guys want to see us do that in the next video, drop some chicken and waffle emojis in the comments below. And
You can even do the syrup.
that's what I was saying. We infuse the syrup and you can just pour it on both. So if you guys like that idea, let us know and we'll see you in the next video. Definitely be safe during 7/10. Stay high and see you later. Bye.